So yeah, hi everyone. Very good morning to you all. Am I audible to you?
Yes, you're right.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Okay, just we will wait 2 more minutes. So let's allow us to join other members. Okay, I think we can start now. We have enough members to start the demo session. So hi everyone. Thanks for joining today demo session for the Servicenow training. So yeah, let me share my presentation, my screen. Okay. Is everyone is able to see my screen now? Can someone confirm from the attendees?
Yes.
Yes, it's visible.
Oh, yeah. Thank you very much. So first, let me introduce myself. My name is Saidha Rao. So I have around 12 plus years experience in IT. Okay. So into training, I have around 5 years experience in training. So I have trained more than 500 people in last span of 5 years. So on and off, I used to give the trainings. Parallelly, I'm also working in IT. So for last 5 years, I'm working as a trainer. So I give a couple of trainings to the students and in a service no different modules. Okay, and yeah. So before starting the demo session, can you please start introduce yourself? I will come to know about your background. Based on that, we can discuss the further points in the service now training. Okay, Shravanti, can you start introduce yourself?
Hi. I have total 10 years experience in IT industry. So,
Okay, okay, please go ahead.
okay.
Yes, Shravanti,
Am
please
I
go ahead.
audible?
Yeah, but your voice is little low. Can you speak little loud?
Am I audible now?
Yes, yeah, you are audible now. Yeah, okay, Stamp. I think you might have some audio issues, so we can go with another member. So, Ajit, can you please introduce yourself? Do you have any work experience in IT and anything some from your side?
Yeah, hi Saidara, this is Ajit, and today I have in service now only, but I'm
Oh, okay,
having
okay, nice.
yeah, but I'm lagging with most of the my timing with I have some knowledge on service now, but why I joined in this course is I want to learn service now scripting part. I mean, like how I need to debug the scripts and how I need
Okay,
to
okay. So basically, you
that is the
want
main
to
agenda.
learn about the development, right?
Yes, yes, development part and if some issue is happening into the system in the system, how we need to
Okay,
debug
okay.
this kind of because of this purpose I have joined in this program. I hope that will help for me.
Okay, okay, okay. Sure, sure. Nice, Ajit. So, Rakesh, do you want to speak about yourself?
Yes, hello, sir.
Yeah.
Actually, I worked in Genpact as a process associate.
Okay, okay.
That's it, and I don't have any knowledge in this service. No, just I have
Okay,
started
okay.
this career.
Yeah, okay, okay.
That's it.
Okay, and the next, Prasad, do you want to speak about yourself? Prasad, can you hear me? Yeah, okay. I think Prasad also having some issues. So we can have discussion at the end if you have any questions. So yeah, so let me start. I will introduce about the service now. So what is service now? Oh, ServiceNow basically it is like a cloud infrastructure, cloud platform. So it is it is example like a SAP. In SAP, you have the many number of modules as per the industry standards they have created. Like parallelly, like a ServiceNow, it is also like they build like this. So basically, it is a cloud platform. So you don't need to install any single software in your machine. So everything we can access from the cloud. And like a Gmail, like a YouTube, like everything you just have to type in the browser, so you can access the whatever the services are provided by the service. Now you can access from the browser only. Okay, and our training includes these the main topics like administration. I'm going to cover admin part, and I'm going to cover like a development part. So I will explain the how you can write the script from the scratch level. People are who are not about no not don't have experience about the coding part. So I will teach them to start learn from the scratch level. So don't need to worry. And implementation part. Implementation parts. So implementation is nothing but a service now. How you are going to implement in your so somebody getting message. So I will explain in the end about the other modules. So this is basically for the service now, not specific to the particular module. So just it is like a admin and development and implementation. So at the end, I will answer your questions. Okay. So this is the I'm going to cover the implementation part and the integration. Integration part also I'm going to cover. Okay. So basically, admin means so it is like a basically let's start with the admin part. So basically, it is like a what of the service now has given to us, so we can configure them, we can install them in the like a non-coding part. It is like a non-coding part, so we don't require any coding part. But coming to the jobs, we have very less jobs in the market if you know the admin skills. So you have to learn the development also. But by luck you get chance. If you get chance as admin, it is good, but it not for the long career. For the short period, admin is fine to you. Okay, and let's come to development. So basically, ServiceNow, they have already developed a number of applications as per the industry standards. They have given 90% applications to the customers. But as per the company requirement, if you want to enhance the existing functionality, so you have to use the development to enhance to as per the company requirement. So you require JavaScript knowledge. JavaScript knowledge you need to learn. So JavaScript is very easy to learn. So I will teach you how to learn the JavaScript, so you don't need to worry about the scripting part. So the JavaScript you have to learn, and basically some SQL queries you have to learn. Okay. And implementation part also. So from the scratch level, how we are going to implement in your customer environment implementation. So what are the prerequisites you have to configure, and like a users import and application flow we have to design. So everything will cover under the implementation part. And coming to integration, so ServiceNow can integrate with a number of tools in the market. So to automate the many processes with ServiceNow can talk to with other application. It can send the information to other application. It can receive the information from the other applications. So I will teach you how you are going to integrate with the other system. So basically so with the free tools only, because it is our training part, right? So basically we can integrate with the free tools, free outsourcing tools we can use, like a ServiceNow and ServiceNow to Microsoft Teams. I will teach you Jira integration also. I will teach you how we are going to implement that one. Okay. And coming to training part, so weekly 5 days,
Most
weekly 5 days, and every day 1 hour. And at the end we can have the 15 minutes for the question and answers and previous class doubts, and what are the doubts you got in your while practicing the service now. So weekly 5 days and every day 1 hour, and at the end depends upon the your questions, we can extend our class 15 minutes. Okay. And so actual regular classes will be start from the tomorrow. And so I will also help you to for the certifications like CSA. So if you have some certifications in the service now, you get good opportunities while the screening level. So if two persons are there, they have same knowledge on the service now, but if you have the certifications, you will get the good opportunity, and you will so the client will prefer you. And like a TCS and a Cognizant, they everything they have to show the I have these many certification people in my company. So to get the projects, they showcase your certifications to the client. So CSA and developers, CAD certifications, and implementation, ITSM implementation. So like they have for every module we have the different demo. I will help you to and about the questions and how you can clear these certifications. I will help you in this training. And yeah, and resume preparation. Resume preparation and interview questions. So how you can, I will explain how the real time scenarios they will ask in your interview. And the mock interview also I will conduct at the end of the training. I will conduct the mock interview, and you will get the daily recordings also. You will get the everyday recording, and you can go through the recording, and you can ask any questions if you don't understand the in the training. Okay. So these are the some part. So basically in service now, I will open the 1 minute. Yeah. Let me share my screen again. One. Yeah. Are you able to see my another presentation?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So this is the course content we designed for the training. Okay. And so I added many components. What are the service has provided to you? You can go through this content, and uh, if you want to know the other modules which are not covered in this content, so I'm ready to teach you. If you have the specific requirement about this, I want to know this about this, so I will add you to the, because I have worked on many couple of modules, but the coming to the training, so we have designed this content for the training only. So if you want to add anything, I am ready to teach you at the end of the training. Okay, you can go through this all the topics. So like I'm from the scratch level to the advanced level. So we have designed this content. Okay. So coming to that Prashad question, so in the survey in this current training, I have designed for the ITSM modules and ITOM modules. So these are the two modules I am going to teach you in the this current training. So ITSM almost I cover 100% topics I am going to cover, but ITOM I can give the theory part because ITOM we cannot show in our personal laptop. So there are the configurations we have to install because we have to for the discovery there is a setup is required. So theory part and the what are the regular issues we get in the ITOM. So I try to cover them. So I can say like a 30 to 40, 30% to 40% knowledge you can get, but to gain the full knowledge you have to work in the real time environment. Then only you can get good knowledge in the ITOM. So coming to ITSM, so ITSM we have the main modules like incident module, problem module, change module, and service request module, and knowledge article, KB knowledge article module. We have the KB article module and other apart from the SLA. And I'm going to cover asset management. Okay. So these are the modules coming under the ITSM main modules. So let me explain what is the incident module. So let's take example. So I'm using this Outlook every day. So I receive the emails from the customers. But suddenly one day it is not. I'm not getting the any emails from the customer. So from the customers or any whatever the colleagues. So what you do? You go to the ServiceNow. So let me, yeah, this is the ServiceNow UI. So I will tell you how to create this personal developer instance, everything in the tomorrow class. Just I go to this incident module. So here we have the create new, right? Just for this basic purpose, tomorrow I will explain what are the what is the service now. Okay. So what you do, my Outlook is not working since morning. So like this, if you submit this, it will go to the concern team. They will contact you. What is they will ask you what is your issue when you are, so they will try to solve this every issue. Okay. So basically it is an incident management. So any uninterrupted issue happens suddenly, so we create an incident. So we follow the incident management process. So I will explain clearly in the upcoming classes from the uh, from basic level to advanced level what is incident management. Okay. So coming to problem management. So let's say okay, today you have issue in the Outlook and they resolved it. Tomorrow again the same issue happened, not only for you, your team members, your other team members, your colleagues. So something there might be a big issue in the Outlook. So we have to create a one problem record to for the permanent fix. This is the temporary fix. Temporary fix, this is the permanent fix. Okay. Permanent fix, we have to create a problem, we have to identify what is the root cause, why it is happening every day. So for this we create a problem record, so to identify the permanent issue. So support team, they do diagnosis the entire system and they will find the permanent fix. Okay. So coming to this change. So change means Outlook. I am using some version, like I don't know which version, but I want to upgrade to the new version. Or in the problem management, they identify some issue, something plugins needs to be upgraded. So something they have. So for the we follow the change management. Suddenly, directly we can't upgrade the system suddenly. So they have to take the downtime. They have to take the approvals from the concerned team. So and they do this. Change in the applications. If you So if in the regular office hours we cannot do, in the after office hours, so when the less impact will be right, so that time only they do these changes in the any application, not only Outlook, anything application. Like if you observe that net banking web, HDFC, they do fix the issues in the night time. So in the night time our people use very less, right? So in that time, so for that we follow the change management. So we take the approvals, we take the schedule time. In the particular time only we have to do this upgrade, and we have to fix this issue in the production. So if something happen, right, so it may impact the entire system. So for that we follow this change management for the systematic approach. Okay. And service request. Not anything goods or accesses related, anything from the service to it is like a simple terms we can say, like it is a Amazon portal. So Amazon portal, we go and we order, we select the product and we order, right? So it is for the service request is the come when comes to organizations. So if you want to add the if you want to if you want to that ID card, or if you want to access to the particular room, and if you want to order the new computer, if your old computer is not working, anything access related application, if you want to have the access to the service now, everything, when you once you got onboarded into the organization, you need the basic things, right, like laptop and mouse and seat allocation. Everything will be follow the service request to. So it goes to approvals and it goes to the concerned teams to assign the access to you. So for that we use this service request applications. Okay. So all these applications we will discuss in detail. What are the real-time scenarios we are working, we can work on in the organization. So what are the regular issues and the regular scenarios I face in my current job? So I will explain the this is the main difference of the other trainings and so I go with the mostly real-time scenarios. So you can crack the interview very easily. Okay. And let's coming to the KB article. KB article, it is not like a knowledge articles in the organizations. So like, let me show you some examples here. In organizations, if they want to publish something, policies or leave policy or any some articles, like if you have some issue in their system, so what are the basic troubleshooting you can do on your own. So these are the some so like a automatic replies. So see the one article here. So company can publish this article to you. So you can go through the process automatic reply, how you enable the automatic receive when you're in out of office, when you're on leave. So if somebody send me email to you, they should know that you are out of office. So how you are configure this, so we can so your company will publish the articles like leave policy, claiming policy, expenses claiming policy, everything they will create and they will publish here. Okay. I will explain how to create these articles. Okay. And I will explain the flow here. Okay. And KB article. So sorry, SLA. Yeah. SLA is a service level agreements. So I created an incident, and I created an incident, but nobody is responding in time. You created some, but if they resolve the issue after 3 days, 4 days, you lose your business, right? So for that we follow this SLA, service level agreements. So within 2 days, my issue should be resolved. Within 1 hour, my issue should be addressed. So they should accept the. Okay. So in this, we can configure the different levels of the SLAs. We can configure. So it will attach it to the incident problem change. So within the SLA, they have to fix this issue. Okay. So I will explain asset management. So coming to asset management, in every organization they have the infrastructure assets like servers and computers, laptops, everything, printers. So everything we maintain this asset management. So we can have the get information from the asset management. What are the cost of the product. So today your company purchases some printer. What is the cost of the product, and the expiry date and the service date, everything you can come to know the financial and the contract. So you might have the 1 year warranty, 1 year warranty. So everything you can get the information from the asset management. So at asset management will go through this application. They will come to know what are the future, when the asset will be expired, when the warranty will be expired, when the contract will be expired. Everything you will come to know this asset management. So coming to the CMDB. So in CMDB, we maintain all configuration items. So like it is an extended to the asset management. In asset management, we maintain only cost and financial details, and who using the asset, like the one some ABC, some ABC laptop, who is using the ABC laptop. So everything will in asset. But CMDB, it will make the relationship between the assets. So like in like one Windows server is there. In Windows server, what are the applications are installed? What are the applications is being used in the Windows server? So we can make the relations between the applications and the configuration items like networks and everything, IP routers, IP switches, network gear, everything we can maintain the relationship between them. If the one server is down, let's say if it is my computer is a server, if my computer is not working, so what are the applications are installed in my computer, they are also going to be affected, right? So for this tracking purpose, we use this configuration database management. So and ITOM. In ITOM, we use the discovery. I will explain the discovery, what is discovery and how we can how we are going to. In my real-time instance, in my company instance, I can show you one demo how we are going to configure the discovery and what is the use of. Let's take a example discovery. So in asset management, manually we maintain the assets and everything. But in if you use the discovery, we can automate the that asset management and the configuration item. We can scan. It scans the entire network and it populates the data. So in my computer, what are the applications are installed? So everything discovery will scan and it will place the, it will record the records in the service. Now it plays the records. So this thing, it is a little critical, typical topic. So I will explain in detail when we are going to discuss about the ITOM. So basically, as per the training content, we are going to cover this ITOM and IT SM topics. So if you have any specific requirement, we can discuss offline and we can have an inquiry with our admin team. So based on that, we'll have, I am ready to teach HRSD and CSM. So these are the applications also I have a hands-on experience. I can teach them, but not with this content. It is a separate training. So we can't go with these applications with this training. So, okay. And yeah, let's coming to ServiceNow history. So ServiceNow, it is started around 2003. So he was by Fred Luddy. Maybe spelling wrong, but I don't know. It was started in 2003 by Fred Luddy. He previously he was the employee of the some company. Remedy company. He started the ServiceNow, and now ServiceNow, they follow every year they release the two versions. So like our Android and iPhone, every year they release a one new upgrade, right? So you have to be upgrade. So they follow some alphabetic order, the naming conventions. So they starts with the Aspen. That is the first version of that. And now currently, my company is using Washington. Washington. Our previous version is Vancouver, and before that Utah. So they follow some Europe countries or UK countries and US countries city names. Utah, Washington. Next one is UVWX, right? So Janadu. So this is the latest version you can get in the personal developer instance. And currently these are the follow the, I mean, these are the versions they follow this convention. So these are the latest versions, and our company instance should be the last three versions. If you are in old version like before that, so if you are in Tokyo, if you have an if you have any issue in the your Tokyo version, Servicenow is not going to support us, because we have to be there in the last three version. Then only they will do this support. Okay, if you have some issues in the out of the box, what of the products they have given, if you have some issues, if you are unable to some resolve the issue, so we can raise a one incident with the Servicenow support also. But if you are in Tokyo version, they are not going to support us. So we have to be in last three versions. So currently my company is following this Washington and then Janadu. So after that they are going, so last next year we are going to upgrade to the Janadu version. Okay, every version they release the new functionalities, new features, and new automated process. So okay, basically service now it is like a low coding for low code and the no code. Sometimes no code is enough, no code is also we can maintain, and low code very less code we have to understand the what is the existing code, and we can enhance the, we can write the two or three lines to enhance the existing functionality. So with no code also we can maintain this for platform with the out of the box functionalities. Okay, and yeah, so almost I covered these basic topics. And yeah, coming to this practice, so we don't need to purchase anything. So you have to go to this developer.servicenow.com, and if you have the Gmail ID, so you can create account and you can request the new one. New a new instance, and you can practice. So it has all the features. It is the same like as our production, like a company organization also same, the UI everything is same. There is no difference, only the some particular applications are free or some are purchased. So for the developer instance, it is some free. And so basically ServiceNow, this is the main website we have. So here you can if you have some knowledge already work experience in ServiceNow, so you can go through this. It is a self-learning process. You can go through these courses and all. But basically, before that, you should have some knowledge on the service now. Okay. And okay. So basically, this is the courses we can do. But before that, you should have some learning experience and work experience. So if you have knowledge, so basically, sir, I told you right, ITSM, ITM. But if you gain knowledge on this ITSM, ITM, other applications are same like. But tables are different, work is different, and we have to adapt to the terminologies like HRSD or CSM, GRC. So ServiceNow, it is created many application ecosystem. So whatever sector, financial sector, and IT related sector, everything they have applications. We have to learn from the through the we can from the documentation from the documentation also we can learn. Okay, and here we have like community. It is the one of the guest. I mean, other I don't know other cloud applications I have is I have this facility or not. But if you have some issue in your organization, you can post your question here, and whoever have the committee membership, they can. Answer your question. So in my starting career now also, if I don't find the exact solution and how they are doing, you can have the discussion here. Okay, so these are the, so you can question, you can ask your question here. So it will give all the related answers here. Okay, we can make that correct answer. Okay, so in that also here also we can, so in upcoming classes I will explain you what is the use of this live service now. Also give some training so you can attend them. And yeah, okay. And yeah, okay. I think I covered these basic topics of the ServiceNow training, and you can go through this entire the training content. And if you want to add any more topics to here, I'm ready to teach you. Okay. So yeah, any questions from your side as of now? Anyone having any questions in this as of the current topics we covered here?
Saidara, I have one thing from my side.
Yeah, yes,
Are we
Ajit.
going to are we going to cover service portal also in this training or not?
Service portal, it is required the Angular JS knowledge. So basic
Okay.
topics are that administration topics I'm going to cover, and Angular JS it is the separate training. We can't complete this the training, the development training service portal. Many very less people are in market. If you have the knowledge on Angular JS, you can learn from your own. But it is Angular JS knowledge is mandatory for the development. But basic topics like how to create the new portals and how to use the existing widgets, that we can cover.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
just
Thank
almost
you.
10 to 20% I can cover with the basic. So what are the service now options provided? But if you want to learn the core development from the scratch level, very difficult to complete this in with the 60 days training.
Mm. Yes, I get that. Okay.
Yeah. So
Thank you.
Prasad, Babu, Shravanti, do you have any questions? Okay, yeah, I think yeah, I'm done with my this demo session. So if you have any questions and anything, you can reach out my reception, and if you can share the questions with that. And from tomorrow same time, we are going to start the new class and the first day day one class. Okay, we'll see you in tomorrow. Thank you for joining today. Bye, bye everyone.